Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we've got a game changer for all you garden enthusiasts out there. The Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel. Let's dive right in and discover why this hose reel is considered the best in the market. First off, the Giraffe hose reel comes pre-installed with a 130 feet hybrid hose, but what sets it apart is its durable any-length lock feature. That means you can lock the hose at any length you desire, covering every corner of your garden effortlessly. No more struggling with coiling hoses. The stable auto rewind system ensures that with just a gentle tug, the hose will retract automatically. This unique retractable and guidance system keeps the hose neat and free from kinking. Now, let's talk durability. This hose is all-weather, flexible and abrasion-resistant, guaranteeing it's leak-resistant and long-lasting. It's even passed the 200 psi pressure test and the 600 psi bursting pressure test. Installation is a breeze. With just a 180-degree rotation bracket and some screws, you can mount the hose reel on your wall. Plus, there's a quick release system for easy removal. Just make sure your installation post is larger than 4x4. Giraffe Tools takes pride in its in-house research and development team, constantly working to provide creative and effective solutions for all your reeling needs. And here's the icing on the cake, a 24-month warranty. Giraffe Tools promises timely solutions and lifetime-friendly customer support. You won't have to worry about any product issues. In conclusion, the Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel is a game-changer for gardeners. Its durability, ease of use, and the convenience of a retractable hose make it the best in the market. That's a wrap for today's review. If you're tired of wrestling with your garden hose, do yourself a favor and check out the Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another great product review from Product Critique. See you next time.